What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to restore your YouTube homepage back to the classic layout. To restore the old YouTube layout, you need to start by opening your Chrome browser. The process involves installing a browser extension that reverts YouTube back to its classic design. First, head to the Chrome Web Store, which is a marketplace for Chrome browser extensions that add functionality or customize your browsing experience. In the Chrome's Web Store search bar, search for YouTube Redux. This extension is specifically tailored to switch your YouTube layout to the old version. Find the YouTube Redux extension in the search results and click on Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking you if you want to add the extension. Click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once the extension is installed, open YouTube in your Chrome browser. You should now see the classic YouTube layout. This method is a straightforward way to revert to the old interface. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.